How to write DSP for WISE buses in a Unity client. Real-time DSP in a WISE project don't have to be written solely within the WISE plugin framework. You can create an empty WISE plugin, expose the audio stream to the client, and then perform processing on the client side. In the WISE plugin project, declare a callback and a function to set the callback. Expose the function for setting the callback. In the execute of the plugin project, call the callback and pass in the number of sample points, pointers to the left and right channels, and the bus ID. After building the plugin DLL, copy it to the client project. Mount it on the required buses in the WISE project and package it. Import the interface for setting the callback in the client. Write a scriptable object class to store the DSP parameters of the bus, and create a parameter asset file for the required bus in the editor. Then write a class to implement the DSP processing. Read the DSP parameter configuration of the bus. Pass the callback to the WISE plugin. Implement the DSP processing within this callback. To improve performance and avoid replication, pointers are used directly. The unsafe keyword is required, and the unsafe option needs to be enabled in the Unity editor. Different buses can be distinguished by their bus IDs, enabling the use of targeted parameter configurations. Here are the algorithms for flanger and delay in sequence. Enable unsafe here. Let's start. The advantage is that it can be managed uniformly on the client side, and any number of DSP can be implemented on the client side. The disadvantage is that it can only be debugged on the client side. Thank you for watching.